Welcome to More Trig Fun. I want to produce this YouTube, and I'll put a link in the description, which is Trigonometry for Absolute Beginners. I highly recommend you watch that before watching this. And there was one mistake there. No, it's not a mistake. I talked about having 2 channels. I did at the time when I produced it, but now I have 3 channels. And here's just a quick reminder based on that, but I still suggest you watch that. If you have a triangle with adjacent, opposite, and hypotenuse, the sin of the angle is opposite over hypotenuse, cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, and the tan of the angle is the opposite over the adjacent. So based on that, I've written over here sin squared x, sin of x all squared as sin of x squared. These two mean the same thing. This means something else. This means find the sin of x and then square it. This means square x, then take the sin. For example, if x is 30, sin squared 30, or the sin of 30 squared, means take the sin of 30, which is a half, and square that half, which is a quarter. Whereas the sin of x squared means take that 30, square it, which is 900. We now have the sin of 900, and we can always work that out with a calculator. So that's why these two mean the same thing, and that means something else. And based on this, there's a fun theorem about this, which I prove in my other channel, and I'm going to put a link in the description as well. Thank you all for watching.